After turning on the electric scooter, you have to check the 3-in-1 switch which control headlight, horn and turn signal. When you turn on the light switch, the front light, headlight and side lights will on. When you slide the turn signal button to the right or left, the corresponding turn signal will come on. When you press the horn button, the horn will sound. If you find that any of the buttons are not working, such as the lights and horn don't work at the same time, please check the 3-in-1 switch wire first. You have to check if the wiring is securely connected. First you must remove the cable protection sleeve. When connecting, make sure the plugs are aligned and the arrow are aligned with the arrow. If the buttons still do not work, the 3-in-1 switch may be broken. Please contact the service at efgbike.com to get after-sale service.